we want to add a product list on the right side, which will show us all the products. To do that, we will come in this second column class and we will do the similar thing. We will add a card, and this card will have a card body in it, and then this card body will have an h2 which will have the class of card title, and let's put the text product list in it. And under this title we will add a table. This table will have a table row and it will contain 3 table headers in it, and the first one will be for the name field, the second one will be for the price field, the third one will be for the description field. Next we will have another table row and we will add 3 of these TD in it. In the first one we will add some dummy text for now, and it will be called, let's say, product 1. The price will be, let's say, $100, and this is a test description 1. Okay, let's copy it 2 times. Let's change this to product 2, price is $200, and description 2. Let's change it to product 3, $200, and description 3. Let's save our changes and see it in the browser. You can see that the HTML table is showing here with all of the products. It's not looking good, so we want to apply a Bootstrap table class on it. So let's do that. Bootstrap table class. If I save it, now you can see that it is looking much better now. Okay, so now we want to just apply some margin and spacing here on top for this title. So we will go on our header. Let's apply a class of main header on this. Let's wrap all the code on this page in the container fluid class of Bootstrap. If we look in our browser, you can see we have some spacing around our page, and if we inspect it, you can see that the container fluid class is applying padding right of 15 pixel and padding left of 15 pixel. That's why we are seeing some spacing on the both sides. Now we can apply another class here, main content. The reason we are applying these classes here, main header and main content, is because we will define the CSS for both of these classes, because these 2 classes does not exist in Bootstrap. These are our own custom classes. So we can go in app component and we can say main header, and this main header will have text line center so that our text can look in the center of the page, and then we will have margin 50 pixel. This will apply 50 pixel margin from top and from bottom, and 0 pixel margin from left and right. Let's take a look at our changes in the browser. You can see we have a margin of 50 pixel from top and bottom. Let's inspect it, and there is no margin from left and right because we have used text align center. Okay, perfect. Let's go back in our CSS and write some more CSS for main content, and we will apply padding of 20 pixels here. Once we hit save, we can see that there is some more padding on the product form and product list table, and our content is looking much nicer now.